Hello, today we're just looking at the dismantling of my old CNC saw prototype project that I set up with my Raspberry Pi 2 and some stepper motors and the Adafruit hat. That's the 5-volt supply that I used to power the hat. The hat was independently powered, had its own power supply, which was good because it protects the Raspberry Pi, and you wouldn't want to power two 5-volt motors from the Raspberry Pi, definitely not. That's the hat, which was from Adafruit, about $15 I believe, or £15. So I had Nokia power supply giving 5 volts to the hat, which, as you can see, could control 2 stepper motors or 4 DC motors. I was using stepper motors because I needed to control the movement more precisely in a number of steps. There you can see the 5 wires going into that stepper motor, which then got connected into the hat. Second motor, identical motor, 5-volt DC. Apologies for the shaky camera work. That there is the 12-volt motor, which was independently powered. That had its separate power supply also. That was an old Netgear power supply. The hat only controlled 2 motors. If I was to do the project again, I would try and find a hat which could control 3 motors. The one that pushed the wood, the one that moved the saw up and down, and the one that turned the saw on and off. Obviously 3 motors in total. Yeah, just another look at the hat, which I will reuse because yeah, it was good to experiment when make projects with it. Hope you like my new microphone, by the way. There you can see the 40-pin female connector, which just slots on top of the pins on the Pi, either a Pi 0 or the Pi 2, Pi 3, Pi 4. Not a Pi 1, because Pi 1's only 20 pins on the pin out. Yeah, I hope you've liked this. Not much more to say really, but I'm just sort of showing you the hat, and hopefully you can just see what can be done with it and how it connects to the 2-stepper motors. Yeah, there you can see the saw, which was independently powered. Hope you like this. Yeah, next we'll move on to something different, but yeah, I'll just sort of have one last look at this before I completely dismantle it. There you can see the stepper motor, and I hope you can see the model number on it, the 28BYJ-48, 5 volts DC. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to look at any other specific projects. Thank you. Bye bye.